The thing that I think is probably best is just stay busy. Like once you're not busy anymore, that's when the thoughts creep in. That's when the doubts creep in. That's when, like, you know, you lose a deal, just get another deal. You forget about the one that you lost. You know, I remember the deals that I lost from 10 years ago. I still remember them because they hurt me. They would say something really mean to me on the phone, like, you're a shit salesman, you know, like all this stuff. And I was an amateur at the time, so it would hurt my feelings. But now that I've gotten older, when someone says this, I'm like, all right, cool, that's great. Okay, go to the next one who's actually going to buy from me. I totally forget about him. Did I mention this last time about the girlfriend thing? Did I mention this? Yeah, it's the same concept, man. Just
Go get another one.
Go get another girlfriend, bro. It's all good. So just stay busy. Whatever you're doing, as soon as you have some free time and you're not doing something productive, I'm not talking about after hours because I'm all about the cool down. Okay, me cool down, have sex, play video games, go out for a nice restaurant, do whatever you have to do. But during the day, make sure you're keeping active and you're doing the work, and you'll forget about everything, bro. Flow, you'll get into flow. That's what it is. You get into flow when you do all the work. When you get into flow, you forget. That's kind of the time dilates, right?